I thank also other sponsors. I had my friend told me is a lifetime sponsor for Jinja Bristol Water. And then Lillian, I'm the one who asked Prince first raise up. That one is my regional investor. I'm the one who requested him to construct a hotel in Kamuli. I want to thank you for the second time. Thank you very much, President. He constructed a hotel in Kamuli called the Lillian Resort. It's a very nice one. And one thing I assured him that I'll promote his hotel, and the hotel will always be full. I hope you get clients. Welcome to the soil of blessings. Welcome to Jinja. Where you are, even the members here, you didn't know the good things you have. It's because you're on the soil of the Chabazinga. This is the king of the Nile, where he originated from. Chira no Mukisabobwa Chabazinga no Mukisomsoga. So I bring you blessings, I bring you greetings, I bring you fortune and luck from Obwa Chabazinga Mapsoka. So the Chabazinga sent you greetings, and he told me, you're going there, but you know I'm going to remember. What he didn't tell me, that is the patron. So I'll endeavor to tell him that your babies, they really want to feed from you. So he will be here with you, I think, soonest, Mr. Chairman. I want also to share with you one thing. I went to Turkey and then some other country in Dubai. I hope you agree with me that Dubai is a commercial city. It's not organic. You know, I wouldn't want to say plastic, but it's more commercial. Everything was really planned for. There was nothing organic as this. I also went to some other golf club in Nottingham in the UK. And the setting they had at their golf club, I wanted to share with you that if you allow, because the ambassador of Turkey is our friend, is a friend to the king, and the king is your patron, I took him on an investment tour in Busoga on the advice of the president and His Majesty. And he wanted places he can invest in. I was sharing with some of your members that if both we can develop this place to be the heart of tourism of Uganda, let's not only look at the sport, but this is the only gold that we have now at the waters in Busoga. And I hope you know Busoga is the heart of tourism of Uganda. So if we are the heart of tourism, we can make golf the heart of attraction for this country. They were looking for a place where to put a unit, and we took them to some place after Mafobia at some school. Then they wanted a place where they can put an international 5-star hotel and cottages. I tried to take him to Itanda Falls, but when you invited me, this is something I thought if you would sit maybe with your patron, it's something that you'd share with him. And then we get to see the big person, and then see how we can at least improve on this place. Sports tourism is one of the biggest revenue for this country, Uganda. We have not sold out our talents, but trust me, Uganda has the biggest talent, and golf is one of the talents that we have to promote widely, even in schools. So I would also request that let's make this home a learning home for other young talents. They come here and train so that we can spread out our talents to even the young ones. Another thing I wanted to share with you that if you didn't know why Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa, anyone who knows why Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa? Uganda Majeta Pearl of Africa. Anani Owekitibwa Ripon Falls. So when Churchill came to Uganda, he came at Ripon Falls. When he came at Ripon Falls, that is where he declared that indeed Uganda is the Pearl of Africa. And the Pearl of Africa is where? It's in Jinja. So when we make golf club, we make it, we develop it to the international standards. We have some other activities, the aquarium, we get some other sports centers here. We put some other, maybe the AI, games. I think this can help us turn this place to really bring out the Pearl of Africa, like Churchill discovered it in Jinja. I want to thank all of you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for inviting us. I welcome you to Soga once again. Enjoy. We have the source of the Nile. We have the water massage at Soko. We have Itanda Falls. You can go and do the rafting. They are good for the heart. You can go for bungee. It's good for the brain. And those who have high blood pressure, sure you'll get cured. I invite you to Kabul Rock. You can do hiking, which is good for your body health and mind. I also invite you to Bishop Huntington, which I'll be celebrating his life on 29th of October. This is the first Britain, the first missionary that came to Uganda, and he was killed at Achando in Mayuge. Thank you very much. Thank you for inviting me once again. Golf tourism is one of the games for the rich people. And those who are here are not rich, just know you're rich by default. Chairman, allow me to declare myself a member, and I want patronage. So moving along. I've declared myself a member because you invited me on the ladies' event. I'll pay. I don't want honorary. I want to pay membership. I want also to say hello to Honorable Opolot. You know those two. We are also villagers in another country. So I'm so happy to see you. Welcome to Jinja. Banambe Naino, welcome here. Spend the night. We have nice flats in town, and I think I'll keep you around Jinja. Don't worry. Thank you. Mwema Naino Katonda Abakuke.